to our YouTube channel. And in the last video we have covered numbers, and if you haven't watched previous videos for clipboard font alignment and this number system, the link has been given above. You can check out all the videos. Now in today's video we are going to talk about the style. So basically in style, how you can style your formats, how you can style your data, that specific topic we are going to cover in this video. So without any delay, let's jump into the video. So I have just taken this values and this percentage values. For example, as you can see, style, in this style functions we do have conditional format as table and cell style. So in this video specifically we are going to talk about the conditional formatting, because it's a very huge topic. You can say there are a lot of things we can cover here. So in this video I'm going to cover conditional formatting. So now if I would like to highlight this, and if I'll go to the conditional formatting and select this highlight cell rules, and if I just would like to highlight only the cells where the value is greater than 70%, so simply I can click on greater than and then I can choose 70%. Now as you can see here, the value which are showing 80, 90 and 100, that means these values are above 70%. So now if already we do have one rule applied on this value, so first we would like to remove it. So as you can see here, this clear rule is reflecting here. Now we do have this clear rules from selected cells or clear rule from entire sheet. We won't clear this rule from selected cells. So once you will clear it out, you can see here there is no rules applied here on this column. Now again, if I would like to go less than, like as we have already done, if there is a value greater than 70%, then you can just simply put 70%, and then the value which are greater than 70% is going to be reflected here. Same wise you can do with the less than, between, equal or text contents. So for an example, you have a set of descriptions where you have to add in YouTube, and you would like to find out if all the description having certain specific text. So for that you can use this, and if the text is exist in that description, that cell will get highlighted. For example, let me highlight this one. So let me give a name for YouTube, then Instagram, again Facebook, and any other social site which we have, or any other site, for an example Vidmet or LinkedIn, Twitter and so on. So now if I'll select the cells only, now if I'll go to the conditional format, and again if I would like to find any text among this all cells, so simply I'll go to the text and I'll find out, okay, if there is any you can say LinkedIn is there. So now you can select it here, or if you would like to highlight with your own custom format, so simply you can click here and you can go to the custom format. For an example, if I want to look this text like in bold, I'll select this text color as a white. Now if I'll go to the fill and select this red and click OK. So now as you can see here, if I'll press OK, so now LinkedIn has been highlighted in this column, and it signifies, okay, in your data this LinkedIn exists. So now let's remove this one. For example, from the conditional formatting, I'm clearing this rule. Now once this rule will get clear, again we do have this certain option. For an example, top 10 items. For top 10 items, I would like to take this data and I'll go to the conditional formatting, and here top 10 items, and now I just don't want top 10 items, I just want to have top 5 items. So if you will select, so you can see top 5 items has been highlighted. Same wise, If you wanted to pick only 3 items from your values, which are the top 10, top 3, you can have this values here. As you can see, 80, 90 and 100. Now I'm just not formatting this. Now again, if I'll go to the conditional formatting, we do have this top 10 percentage, bottom 10 items, bottom 10 percentage, above average and below average. So you can use this and just try to use this functions by your own. If you have any doubts or any specific queries, you can put your queries on comment section, or you can directly mail us on our mail ID. As soon as possible, we will get your query. We'll try to get back to you with your solution. Now, data bars, it's very simple. You just have to select any data bar. So as you can see here, whenever I am hovering any specific predefined this gradient fill, it is showing. So now if you would like to have this one, so you can just have to select and you can have this specific formats. Now solid fills, like, it's not similar as a gradient, but it works as a same. It will show you which value is high, which value is low. According to that, this fill would get filled in this cells. Now again, color set, if we will go, so for an example, if I'll pick just this color, so as you can see here, it is showing less value to high value, it's getting highlighted. The same wise, if you wanted to highlight low to high, you can use this format accordingly as per of your requirement or as per of your data set. Again, as you can see, it is showing yellow to green. And if you'd like to highlight with the red color, or you would like to highlight with a 3 color, as option is there, all you won't have to set a rule, right? So this is something you can use it to look your data representable. Now we do have here in icon set, so any icon set, if I'm going to select, it will be look like this. So as you can see, as per of the value, icon set has been already modified to my value. Now 10, 20 and 30, it is in red. 40, 50, 60, 70, it is reflecting yellow, or 80, 90, 100, it is showing in green. Same wise, you can pick any predefined shapes. It is going to be reflect here which are the values are in red, which are the values are in yellow, and which values are in green. You can define it. For example, let me use this flag. So now I just would like to flag, and I'm using this flag. Now again, if I'll go to the conditional formatting and manage rule, so here once you will select it, there is an option called edit rule. Once you will select it, this tab menu will open to you. Now here just I would like to select that any number which is less than 50, it should mark as a red flag. So now I'm just selecting 50 here, and once you will select, so it is going to look like this. So as you can see, the all numbers which are in 50, within 50, it is showing on a red flag, and again the 60 and 70, it is showing in yellow. 80, 90 and 100, it is showing in green. So as per of your requirement, in which you can say which set you wanted to set this data. For an example, 10, 20, 30 and 40, 50 are in a red level. Now 60, 70 are in yellow level, and 80, 90 and 100 are in green level. So as per of your requirement, you can set this level as per of your values, and you can use this formats. Now this is the set of formats where you can indicate, where you can use ratings, and these are the bars. So as per of your requirement, you can use this and you can make your data representable. Now this is all for this video, and if you have any doubt, any queries regarding conditional formatting, how to use it, how to apply on your data values, or you have any other doubts, you can simply put it on the comment box, or you can reach out on our mail ID. I hope this video you have enjoyed a lot, and if you have any other queries regarding to this videos, you can put your comment on the section or comment section. Thank you for watching this video.